What is up everyone? Jeran here, hoping you're safe and great. For this video, mag-unbox tayo ng isang mono headset from Ausdom. So this is the Ausdom BH01. And is it nice for its price of 487 pesos? No? Let's find out. Alright, so let's open up this package from Shopee. I got this from Shopee sa halagang eto, ilalagay ko na lang sa screen, and naka-wrap siya dito sa protective layer na to. So tanggalin lang natin to. Alright, so here we go with the box na may kasama pang mask, no? So isang pirasong mask na naka-package. So that's great help. And also may letter sila during the epidemic, choo from Little V Store, comment 5-star, okay. And you have some wipes here, na alcohol wipes, so very hygienic ang seller na to. So we have the Ausdom BH01. So here are the features, no? So just read it and we will test that out in a bit naman, no? So some features here, BH01, this is a mono headset, ultra clear daw. So we will test that out. So here are the specifications, no, of this headset. So just pause it if you want to read it, if that matters to you. Alright, and yeah, that's it. So all logos at the sides, and now let's open up this box. Alright, so opening up this box, you will be greeted with the manual of the headset. It has English and in Chinese as well. So you also have this splitter kasi it's a mono cord, no? It's a hybrid cord. So if gagamitin mo sa PC, you need to have that splitter. And next, of course, we have the headset itself here in this protective packaging. So first impressions, no, very light. No, this headset is very light, and it has a leatherette finish on the earpiece itself. Okay, so you have that supportive adjustable clip there para ma-adjust mo depende sa size ng ulo mo kung malaki ba yan. Okay, and of course you have the microphone here na na-adjust, no? Na-adjust up and down. This can be worn on your left side or right side. So you just have to adjust, no, yung microphone. So naiikot siya 180 degrees. And medyo flexible naman yung ating microphone. And this earpiece is leatherette. So medyo malambot naman siya yung foam niya. And ito is made from plastic. So ito yung sa other side ng head mo. Alright, so here's your 1.8 meters na cord, and you have the hybrid no connection here again. So if you have laptop, actually most of the laptops right now hybrid na, and also if you have cell phones. But if we're going to use a PC na merong output and input for the microphone and the speaker, no, nakahiwalay, so we have to use this splitter na included na, which is nice, no? So they kept that in mind, so that's good kasi gagamitin ko rin to sa PC, so work PC actually. Alright, so you have the control knobs right here. So you have that on and off for the call, no? Pag may sasagutin kang tawag, you have the volume rockers here. So let's go and test out the microphone of this headset. Alright, so I'm using the Ausdom mono ear headset. So how does it sound, no? I think it sounds good, no? Given the quality of this mono headset. Yung camera ko lang medyo hindi maganda yung quality, pero okay pa yung tunog sa inyo guys. Alright, so that was all for our unboxing and first impressions and initial review of the Ausdom BH01 mono headset. So I will use this for work purposes, and of course, for its price of 487, I think it's worth it, no? We have a clear mic, no? Hindi naman gaano yung noise, no? And you have a good headset as well. If you like this video, just click on that like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech stuff like this. And guys, I'll see you on the next one.